Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are going to study Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom already I taught one portion is taught. Yes, that binomial nomenclature, classification, classification of living organisms. Yes, little studied. Yes, common name, binomial nomenclature. That everybody written, studied that common name. Yes, studied amoeba, Amoeba Proteus. Studied that all? Yes, everybody study one more time, okay? Now, animal kingdom, invertebrata. Invertebrata. Yes, invertebrata. Already we studied mollusk, phylum mollusk studied, mollusca, and phylum Aschelminthes studied. Phylum mollusca and phylum Aschelminthes studied. Next, we have to study phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. 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 That means pore bearers. Pore bearers. That means that small holes. Small holes are there. That pore. Pore bearers. These multicellular non-motile aquatic organisms called commonly called as sponges. Everybody saw this one. This all is in the marine products. Aquatic organisms. Marine aquatic organisms. Okay, like sponge. Small holes are there. So only that is a porifera. Pore bearers. They exhibit cellular grades of organisms. Body is perforated with many pores called ostia. Many pores, small pores are there. Pores. Everybody see the picture. Children, see the picture. Everybody. Yes, that pictures look like a sponge. So it is called sponges. Everyone have spongiocele. Spongiocele is there. That inside canal like. Okay. That empty place like. Outer small pores are there. Small pores are there. That is ostrum pores. Branch. Small branches are there. Bud like are there in the sponges. So body is perforated with many pores. Body perforated with many pores. See the picture? You can see, yes, small pores are there. That is called ostia. Ostia. Okay. Ostia. Water enter into the body through the ostia and leads to the canal system. That inside canal is there. That water going inside the canal and going inside the body. It circulate water throughout the body. That means small pores are there, holes are there. The holes inside water going inside the organism, so inside the sponges. After it circulate water throughout the body, the water circulated inside throughout the body carries food and oxygen throughout the body. The water only carry the food and oxygen to the body. Okay, the body wall contains spicules which forms the skeletal framework. Spicules also are there. That is a skeletal framework, that like a bone. Okay, well, it is not backbones, not bones are there, like a skeletal framework. Reproduction is by both sexual and asexual methods. Sexual method also, asexual method also. Okay. After the porifera, Sambar Makanan porifera, the Adalog pteridon plankton. Down plankton are there. Hit up Didolt, Denton, Pentuck, Tubu, Saperti, Tubu, Buhan, Atu, the Perpori Yang. That means here the Porpori, Porifera, in higher classes we will study about elaborate. Here simple only given, that is a cellular grade organization. They exhibit cellular grade organization. Cellular grade organization. After the body have small pores are there. That pores is called ostia. The water enter into the ostia. The water is going inside, circulate the throughout the body, circulate water throughout the body, circulate water throughout the body, and the water only carry the food and oxygen to the body, give the oxygen and food to the body. Okay, so that like the body wall contains spicules. The body wall contains spicules. The spicules which form the skeletal framework, that like a spicules like a skeletal framework. Reproduction also is the going on. Sexual reproduction, by say asexual reproduction, two method. Okay, here example Porifera, pore bearer bodies. Example Cycon. Cycon one example given. Another one Euplictella. Euplictella. Euplictella Cycon. In the book given Euplictella Cycon. Euplictella Cycon. Okay, these are invertebrate. First phylum Porifera. 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 Porifera means pore bearer. Pore is there. Small holes are there. That is ostia. So that water enter into the body through the ostia and circulate the water with food and oxygen. The food and oxygen get from the water. Okay, next phylum Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata, that is a Cnidaria. Cnidaria. Coelenterata, otherwise Cnidaria. Okay, coelentrates are aquatic organisms. These also aquatic. In the water living animals. Water and living animals, aquatic. Cnidarian means stinging creature. Stinking creature. See the picture, jellyfish. That is இப்படி தொங்கிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி. Yes, தொங்கிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கா, stinging creature. That is a radial symmetry. That is a radial symmetry. Two different body parts, body plans exist. One is medusa, another one is polyp. Medusa, polyp. Medusa and the another one is polyp. Medusa, polyp. Okay, cnidarians are made up of two tissue layers separated by mesoglia. Habitat aquatic. Aquatic habitat. It is living in the habitat, living in the aquatic. Okay, that coelentrates are aquatic organisms, mostly marine, less only freshwater. Freshwater animals also there. They are multicellular. More cells are there. The body have more cells. Radially symmetrical animals. It is a radial symmetrical animals with the tissue grade of organization. Body wall is diploplastic with the two layers. Diploplastic with the two layers. And outer ectoderm and inner endoderm are separated by non-cellular jelly-like substances called mesoglia. Mesoglia. That is a body wall is diploplastic. Diploplastic means two layers. Outer layer, that is ectoderm. Inner layer, that is endoderm. Okay, outer layer, that is ectoderm. Inner layer, that is a endoderm, are separated by non-cellular jelly-like substances. Ectoderm and endoderm, in between that jelly-like substances are called. gel-like substance. That means outer layer this is a ectoderm, inner layer that is a endoderm, in between jelly-like. So அதை தொட்டு பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்கும், குளு குளுன்னு இருக்கும். தொட்டு பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்கும், குளு குளுன்னு இருக்கும். So jelly like substances called mesoglea. Mesoglea. That it is a central gastrovascular cavity is there. Coelentron which mouth surrounded by short tentacles. The coelenterata that have the mouth surrounding the mouth, small tentacles are there. Small tentacles. See the jellyfish. Everybody see the picture jellyfish. The mouth around the mouth, small tentacles is there. So that is the coelentron with the mouth surrounded by short tentacles. The tentacles bear stinging cells called cnidoplast or nematocyst. Tentacle bear stinging cells. அப்படி தூங்கிக்கிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி stinging cells are there. That is nematocyst. Nematocyst. So nematocysts are in the mouth. That is a stinging tentacles are there that have stinging cells. Stinging cells. That is called nematocyst. Nematocyst. Many coelenterates exhibit polymorphism, which is polymorphism. Which is variation in the structure and function of individuals of the same species. Structure and function as of the individuals are same species. That is a structure and function is same. Okay, they reproduce both sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, like Porifera. The Cnidaria also, otherwise the coelenterate also, that reproduction, both sexual reproduction and the asexual reproduction. Okay, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. What is the examples of coelenterates? That is a jellyfish, hydra. Jellyfish and hydra also. Hydra also, that coelenterates. Coelenterates. Okay, coelenterate. What is the other name of coelenterate? Cnidaria. Cnidaria. Okay, Cnidaria. How many layers are there? 2 layers. One is outer layer, ectoderm, inner layer, endoderm. In between, one jelly-like structure is there. What is that? Mesoglea. Mesoglea. Okay, jelly-like structure is there. That is mesoglea. Mesoglea. Here also asexual reproduction. Someone has asexual reproduction. Some reproduction going on in the sexual reproduction. Okay, here nematocyst also there. In the mouth have tentacles. The tentacles bear stinging cells. Stinging cells. The stinging cells are called nematocyst. Nematocyst. Mouth tentacles. Everybody see the picture. Mouth tentacles. Hydra also have. Jellyfish also. That mouth tentacles. The hanging cells are called nematocyst. Nematocyst. Everybody understood, children? Have you understood? Yes. Yes. Now Porifera finished. Coelenterate finished. See, Platyhelminthes, flatworms. Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, flatworms. Here tapeworm. Tapeworm. Tapeworm and liver fluke. Liver fluke. Liver fluke. First one liver fluke. Next one tapeworm. Okay, that is 2 are worms. 2 are worms. It is a bilaterally symmetrical triploplastic acoelomate without body cavity. No body cavity. That these all are most parasite. These are living inside the stomach. The living other animals, taking food from other animals. That is a parasite. This it have suckers and hooks. Suckers and hooks help the animals to attach itself to the body of the host. This இது வந்து hooks மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது வந்து அடுத்த அனிமல்ல அப்படி ஒட்டி பிடிச்சுக்கிட்டு அதுல உள்ள ரத்தத்தெல்லாம் உறிஞ்சி எடுத்துரும். Okay, suckers and hooks help the animals and attach itself to the body of the host. It is a parasite. So excretion occurs by specialized cells called flame cells. Excretion occurs by specialized cell is there. That cell is called as flame cells. Excretion apply the flame cells. Okay, these worms are hermaphrodites having both male and female reproductive organs. Male reproductive organ also, female reproductive organ also in the same animal, same worm. Male and female are same, so that is called hermaphrodite. Okay, platyhelminthes all are hermaphrodites because that have one animal have male sex organ and female sex organ, that have important one sucking the blood from others. So it is a parasite. That mouth have suckers and hooks, taking food from others. So it is platyhelminthes, otherwise flatworms. It is a bilaterally symmetrical acoelomate. It is important one, acoelomate, that have no cavity. That is a parasite sucking food from others. Okay, it have suckers and hooks. It is a hermaphrodite. Male and female sex organ is in the same animal, so it is a hermaphrodite. Okay, example of platyhelminthes: liver fluke tapeworm. Don't forget liver fluke tapeworm. Anybody saw tapeworm? In your stomach only. That tapeworm in your stomach only. Okay, liver fluke also in the animals. Okay, this tapeworm and liver fluke, that is a platyhelminthes, phylum platyhelminthes. Okay, everybody understood, children? Platyhelminthes. Annelida. Phylum Annelida. Already we studied that before they studied phylum Aschelminthes, roundworms. Already I taught. Mollusk also already I taught. Now phylum Annelida. Example everybody know. You know this one? Everybody saw this picture? Already you know? Yes. Earthworm everybody saw. That is the Annelida phylum. Okay, annelid, that is a round worm like animal. Earthworm, you know, that is a round worm like animal that has segmented body. அப்படி லைனா இருக்குதா, segmenta, that is a segmented body. Aquatic or land, இது தண்ணியிலையும் இருக்கும் தரையிலையும் இருக்கும். Segmented or separated by internal walls called septa. Internal walls, segmented are separated by the internal walls called septa. Almost every segments look identical. Another one also, see, jonk, that is attapuchi. Anybody saw? Attapuchi, அதுக்கு லைனா இருக்கு segmented. அது வந்து அப்படி உறிஞ்சி ரத்தத்தை எடுக்கும். அட்டைப்பூச்சி. This also annelid family. No, annelid, leech. Okay, attapuchi. These are bilaterally symmetrical. It is a worm. It is also bilateral symmetrical trypoplastic like a platyhelminthes. Okay, true coelomate animal. And the platyhelminthes acoelomate without body cavity. Here coelomate animal. It is a body cavity is there. True coelomate animal. Which organ system grade of organization. Body is externally divided into segments called metameres. Segmented body, that is called metameres, joined by ring like structure called annuli. joined by ring-like structure. Joined by ring-like structure that is called annuli. So that annulita. It is covered by moist thin cuticle. Moist thin cuticle. இது வந்து ஈரமான பகுதியில் தான் இருக்கும். தட்டைப்பூச்சி எங்க இருக்கும், மண்புழு எங்க இருக்கும், ஈரமான இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும். காஞ்ச இடத்துல தண்ணிக்குள்ள சில நேரம் போகும், தண்ணிக்குள்ள இருக்கும். ஆனா மாய்ஸ்ட் ஏரியால தான் என்னது அதிகமா இருக்கும். Setae or parapodia or locomotor organ. Sexes may be separate or united. Hermaphrodite. Some animal have that annelida. Some animal have hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite, that means male and female sex organ are present in one animal. That is a hermaphrodite. Okay. Here setae are the setae. That is setae is covered by moist skin. Setae and parapodia are the locomotor organ. That is moving from one place to another place. அது இப்படி ஊந்து போவதுக்கு என்னது அது அடி பகுதியில் என்னது இருக்கு? Setae is there. Setae. Parapodia are also there. That only are the locomotor organ. Locomotor organ, parapodia, otherwise setae. Manbulula setae. Okay. Some animal parapodia. So locomotor organ, setae and parapodia. Setae and parapodia. Okay children, very easy one. Annelid is a earthworm. You know that is a worm. Is aquatic, that is a moist place only. Land also in the moist place only living. After that body is a segmented body. After that have setae and or parapodia also there. And some animals are hermaphrodite. The earthworm also hermaphrodite. That phylum Annelida example, Nereis, earthworm, leech. Nereis, earthworm, leech. These are the Annelida examples. Okay. Next one we have கணுக்காலிகள். கணுவா இருக்கும். கால் எப்படி இருக்கும்? கணுவா இருக்கும். வெட்டுக்கிளி பார்த்திருக்கியா? காக்ரோச் பார்த்திருக்கியா? பிரான் பார்த்திருக்கியா? That have கால் பார்த்தா கணுவா இருக்கும். Everybody see the picture? Everybody look here. It is a invertebrate. It is a invertebrate. Okay. It is a covered by exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. அத காக்ரோச்சுக்கு மேல ஒரு இது இருக்குன்னு பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? வெட்டுக்கிளிக்கு மேல ஒரு இது இருக்குன்னு பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? அதெல்லாம் என்னது? exoskeleton. That is external skeleton. It is not a skeleton. இதுக்கு வெர்டபிரேட் கிடையாது. ஆனா மேல கவர் பண்ணிருக்கிறத பார்த்தா அந்த கவர் பத்திர ஒரு எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். செக்மெண்டட் பாடி. இதுவும் எப்படி இருக்கும்? செக்மெண்டட் பாடி. Joined appendages. The appendages are joined appendages. That is a bilateral symmetry. This also bilateral symmetry. After that joint leg, open circulatory system. Circulatory system open. That have no vein, no artery. Okay, circulatory system open. The digestive system, food enter mouth and exist through the anus. Most reproduce sexually only. Most reproduce sexually. Okay. Arthropoda is the largest phylum because more animals are there. It is a bilateral symmetrical, triploplastic, coelomate. Coelom is present. Coelomate. It is a coelomate animal. Okay, the body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. Cockroach pathirkiya head irukum, thorax na மார்பு பகுதி and abdomen வயிற்று பகுதி. Okay, each thoracic segment bears paired joined legs. The thoracic பகுதியில தான் என்னது இருக்கு? legs எல்லாம் இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் jointed legs. Exoskeleton is made of chitin. Cockroach you think the prawn, you know prawn, அது மேல பாரு அது ஓடு மாதிரி இருக்கும் மேல, அதெல்லாம் என்னது? எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். அது என்னதால செய்யப்பட்டிருக்கு அப்படின்னா chitin. And it is shed periodically as the animal grows. It casting off and regrowing of exoskeleton is called molting. Casting off and regrowing of exo. Sometimes that மேல உள்ள தோல் வந்து பிஞ்சிட்டுனா இந்த regrowing திரும்ப அது வளரும். What is that? Exoskeleton. That is called molting. That is called molting. Body cavity is filled with hemolymph. Blood. இங்க வந்து no blood vessels are there. Only body cavity. Body cavity is there. It is a coelomate. Yes. So body cavity is there. The body cavity குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா ரத்தம். ரத்தம்லாம் அப்படி இப்படி இருக்கும். The cockroach have white color blood. No red color blood. Okay. Blood does not flow in the blood vessels. It circulates throughout the body. Open circulatory system. Okay. Open circulatory system. That simple cavity only blood is there. Respiration is through body surface. Gills or trachea is there. Gills. The fish have gills. That like the prawn also. Some have gills. Some won't have trachea. Yes, respiratory organ is trachea, otherwise gills. Sexes are separate. That male organism, female organism separated. Excretion occur by the Malpighian tubules and green glands. Excretion also says respiration, circulation, reproduction also separate properly going on. Prawn example. What are the arthropods? Example? Prawn, crab, you know, nand, cockroach, millipede, centipede, spider, scorpion. These are arthropods. Arthropod is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Largest phylum. Which is the largest phylum? The arthropod is the largest animal phylum. Arthropod means what? Jointed legs. Okay. Every animal have jointed legs. Okay. Yes. Covered by exoskeleton that are made by chitin. Okay. It is a hemolymph. Body cavity filled with blood. Hemolymph. That is a white color lymph. Okay. Next one we have Echinodermata. Phylum Echinodermata. Everybody see the picture. Starfish. This all is in the marine animals. Starfish also. This is a exclusive free living marine animal. These are triploplastic and true coelomate with organ system grade of organism. Adult animals are radially symmetrical but larvae remain bilaterally symmetrical. A unique feature is the presence of fluid filled with the vascular system. Locomotion occurs by tube feet. Body wall is covered with spiny, hard calcareous ossicles. The locomotion occurs the tube feet. Small tube feet is there. Tube like a feet. அதுதான் அது வந்து மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கு one place to another place going by the tube feet. Body wall is covered with spiny hard. அப்படி முள்ளா குத்துற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Spiny hard calcareous ossicles. அது தொட்டு பார்த்தா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும். ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இது செய்திச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is animal only. ஸ்ட்ராங்கா அப்படி calcareous ossicles are. Example, starfish, sea urchin, starfish. முள்ளா இருக்கும், ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும். That have body radial symmetrical. That feature is presence of fluid filled with vascular system. It is very important. That filled with vascular system. Fluid filled with water vascular system. That water vascular system is there. So water vascular system present in the Echinodermata only. That locomotion by tube feet. Okay, hard spiny layer is the calcareous ossicles, the body spiny layer. Okay, that is a hard calcareous ossicles. Okay children, echinodermata. Echinodermata, that is a spiny skinned animal. What is the other name of echinodermata? Spiny skinned animal. That here body organization, three layer: endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm. Outer layer ectoderm, inner layer endoderm, in between mesoderm. Okay, it is a body cavity coelom is that. Body cavity coelom is there. Ecological roles: food, rose, predator, control population, recycle nutrient, chemical, anti-cancer, antiviral. So these are the echinodermata characteristics. Okay children, hemichordata. Hemichordata, phylum Hemichordata. Everybody see the picture. Hemichordata. Chordata means chordata. Chordata otherwise vertebrate. அது வந்து எலும்பு உள்ளது. Here hemichordata. Hemi means what? Of. Chorda means cord. Common members, that is acorn worms that burrow marine. Taro branch. Marine collar has arms with many ciliated tentacles. Everybody see the picture. Many ciliated tentacles is present in the mouth, near the mouth. Habitat live in on marine substances. Food sediment, that substances organic matter. Here half hard is that. கொஞ்சம் எலும்பு இருக்கும். Okay, half hard. That is a hemichordata. Hemichordata, it is a marine organism with a soft vermiform and unsegmented body. புழு மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். குழுனி புழு மாதிரி இருக்கும். சாஃப்டா vermiform இருக்கும். unsegmented body. They are bilaterally symmetrical coelomate animal with non-chordate and chordate feature. Chordate feature இருக்கு, non-chordate feature இருக்கு. Vertebrate feature இருக்கு, invertebrate features இருக்கு. அதனால தான் இது பேர் வந்து hemichordata. Non-chordate and chordate features. Okay, this coelomate animal have non-chordate and chordate features. They have gills slit but do not have notochord. Do not have notochord. They are ciliary feeders and mostly remain as tuberculous forms. Example, Balanoglossus. See the picture, Balanoglossus. That is a hemichordata example. Hemichordata example. What is that? Balanoglossus. Everybody understood children? Yes. Phylum Invertebrata divided. One is a Porifera. Second one is a Coelenterata. Third one is a Platyhelminthes. Fourth one is Aschelminthes. Fifth one is Annelida. Sixth one is Arthropoda. Seventh one is Mollusca. Eighth one is Echinodermata. And phylum Hemichordata is a ninth. So 9 invertebrate phylum. Invertebrata, how many phylums are there? 9 phylums are there. Everybody understood these are the hard word. That words are hard. That easy characters are easy only. You read one more time the hard word, study and write the spelling. That example very important. What is the characteristics of coelomate, characteristic of Platyhelminthes, everyone the character wise you study. Okay children? Okay, to write the homework. Okay, yes, your homework is Write 10 fill in the blanks. In this portion, write it 10 fill in the blanks. Okay. After, write about invertebrata. That is an assignment. Assignment. Okay. Assignment, you write it in your A4 sheet. A4 sheet, write it neatly. Draw the picture and write it. Draw the picture and write it. Write the phylum. You write it like this. Everybody listen. How do you write? Listen everybody. Yes. Invertebrata heading, you write it. Phylum Porifera. Pore bearer. Draw the picture. After, you write the characters. After, phylum Coelenterata. Draw the picture and write these characters. Next, Platyhelminthes. That like every phylum you write it. Write the phylum, draw the picture, write the characters. Okay. That like 9 phylums are there. You write it all. Draw picture all. Okay. Every one picture you draw. One phylum, one picture. One example. Okay. You draw one picture, one phylum. Okay. After, you write the characteristic of that phylum. Okay children, everybody write it. Write the assignment and submit the assignment one day. That also have mark. So write neatly and submit the school. Submit. Okay, submit one day. We don't know that which day. Sir will say. Okay, you write it neatly. That also have mark. Okay. Okay children, everybody this lesson study it. Study properly. Okay.